Hello guys, I have an update for you on the stock market about the S&P, but especially on American Virtual Cloud, which we bought in our trading group yesterday. We bought at $0.20 and we sold at $0.44. Yesterday, speaking of volume, AVCT had 7.5 million volume in the pre-market and it was the second highest. It should make a move today, I was saying, but the first call was on August 9th when it had also a big volume, 8 million for a penny stock, and I expected a breakout at that point. 52-week range was 0.16 and 4.97. In the pre-market, the stock was 0.17. We can see that yesterday it reached $0.49. And we made a decent 2.5x on our money. Looking at the chart, I saw the double buy signal here after the green vertical lines on the buy and sell indicators and the bullish divergence starting here. The price back then was 1.14. You can use the indicators on TradingView, which is the best charts platform. You have the link in the description of this video and also the link to the buy and sell indicators that helped me so much in buying and selling on those stocks and cryptocurrencies. It was a good idea to sell at 0.4445 because today the stock is 0.31 and I think that it needs to go a little bit lower so that we can enter to long it until 0.7. I was asking people in the group if they bought at the open. Some of them yes, and I was also researching the statistics on the options and I saw that there were 2,000 calls for a strike price of 0.5 expiring in October 21st. I was saying back then that I think that the rally has a chance to continue even though it was 0.21 and the stock was up 47%. I was saying that over its years of operation, the company has acquired a strong clientele among which there are some of the biggest corporations in the world, including Microsoft, AT&T and IBM, which is huge for a company that yesterday had a market cap of 15 million and it is providing cloud services. At some point I was saying that I think that I will close the trade and wait for a dip and I sold here at 0.45 for a total profit of 138%. What a monster this was. I think we will see a lot of stocks doing similar moves in the next 2 weeks. If you want to build a strong portfolio in both cryptocurrencies and stocks, you have my Patreon link in the description of this video. You can find there 311 posts on some of the best stocks. Some of them made even 10, 14x in the past 2 years. As you know, it's not trading advice. You should do your own research before investing because you can also lose your money, not only win like we did today on American Virtual Cloud. I'm not a financial advisor. Those are only my own opinions and considerations about the market. Then I talked about another stock which was Blue Water Vaccines that was going strong after hours. I talked about it before it went up because it was close to the pre-pump level. It was close to this level here at 2.80 and it went higher after hours and today it is trading higher as well. Then we talked about uranium stocks that are going to be hot once again and also the calls on American Virtual Cloud were trading back then at $0.20 from 0.10 when I first posted. Looking at the S&P, I have a quick update for you. I was telling you right here, if you watch my past videos, if you see a price per earnings of less than 17, it's a buy. It's a strong buy indicator in my opinion. and it is probable that the S&P will reach once again 3,700, and it's a new buy opportunity in the indices. We had this PE here on the COVID lockdown at 2,400, and now because the earnings increased, we have the same price per earnings at 3,700. An interesting trick is that when you see the S&P oversold, or the ETF, when you see the SPY oversold, eventually with a bullish divergence, statistically, from oversold to overbought, the S&P will make at least 9%. And you have this statistic here with 33.75%. Here, from bullish divergence on oversold to overbought, 9.8%, 12.5%, 9.15%, and 18%. Here, if we accumulate the oversold to overbought, it's around 14. In the indicators area, type divergence indicator. TradingView is the best platform that I use to monitor the charts. If you want to register on Trading 212, which is the platform that I am using for trading, you will get stocks up to $100 for you and 5 of your friends, which you will share your affiliate link. So once you join using the referral link below, you will also receive a referral link, and you can share with 5 of your friends that they need to deposit €10 or $10 to get up to $100 worth of shares. I think that there are a lot of opportunities in this market, especially in September, when we will have the next rate hike and the CPI report. And I have a list of stocks that can go 2 to 3x, in my opinion, and which are extremely bullish and now are close to their all-time low. As you know, it's not trading advice, it's not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, and you need to do your own research before investing in the stock market or in financial assets. That being said, you have my Patreon link on the description of this video. I wish you many profitable trades.